In this video, I will show you how to make this very quick and easy scrunchie for your doll. And if you want to make also this set, I made it in previous videos, so I will leave you the links down below. Let's get started. To make this scrunchie, you will need lace cotton yarn. I use Maximum from Opus. This is 565 meters for 100 grams. Check also the description box for other yarn options. 2 millimeters crochet hook, scissors, needle, and hair elastic. Mine is about 1 inch, so 2.5 centimeters of diameter. Make a slip knot. And we will work inside this band, but it's too big, so I will twist it like this and fold it. So now my hair elastic is just 2 times smaller, okay? But you can use also a small one. I will insert my hook inside, take my yarn, and I will chain 1, maintaining here this tail. Okay, so it doesn't take away. This is how it looks like. Now I will insert my hook inside this elastic band. So as you can see, I will work through both pieces. Grab your yarn, pull it through the elastic, and make a single crochet. You will repeat exactly the same, making single crochet, closing this elastic band inside your work. So I made 2 stitches. Once again, insert your hook inside the elastic, grab your yarn, take it out, yarn through, and pull through both loops. Okay? So right now I have 3 single crochets. This is how it looks from the back. And I will make as many single crochets to cover the whole elastic. You don't have to count stitches, but in a moment I will tell you exactly how many I made. But again, it doesn't matter, okay? So just make 1 single crochet all the time, all over the whole elastic, and in a moment I will show you how it looks like. I made a total of 30 single crochets. This is how it looks like from the back. This is the front. And now I will insert my hook into the first single crochet I've made and make a slip stitch. Again, the number of single crochets at the beginning, it doesn't matter, because now we will work 2 treble crochet in each stitch. So here, after this slip stitch, we will make a chain of 2, yarn over twice, and insert your hook again to this first single crochet of previous round, exactly in the same place where you made a slip stitch. Grab your yarn, pull through 2, pull through 2, and pull through 2. If you don't know how to make a treble crochet, it's exactly like a double crochet, but instead of yarn over once, you yarn over twice. Insert your hook into the same stitch, because we will work 2 treble crochet in each stitch. So insert it again here, grab the yarn, pull up the loop, yarn over, pull through 2, pull through 2, and pull through 2. So again, exactly the same way as a double crochet, but instead of yarn over once, you yarn over twice, and then you have to make 1 more movement, this pull through 2, to finish the stitch. So I will show you once again. Yarn over twice, insert your hook into the next stitch this time, and we will make our first treble in this place. Okay, again yarn over twice to the same stitch, because again we are working 2 treble crochet in each stitch. And this is what we have. And now we will work exactly, repeating exactly the same. So just 2 treble crochet in each stitch to the end. I'm almost halfway. This is how it looks like already. If you want to make it a little bit more curly, you can go for 3 treble in one place. So instead of working 2 treble crochet in one stitch, you will work 3 treble crochet in one stitch. And this will cause that your this crochet will swirl more. But I will keep working like this, and in a moment I will show you how my ready scrunchie looks like. I've just made my last treble crochet. Now insert your hook into the first stitch you've made, so not into this chain of 2, but into the first stitch. And make a slip stitch. Here you will just chain 1 and cut the yarn. And now the only thing you have to do is to weave in the ends and enjoy new scrunchie for your doll. I hope you enjoyed this video. Subscribe for more tutorials for Barbie dolls, and see you next time.